Alright, let's go. Ta-da. Yeah. Woo! You gonna see Robbie to check it out.
Is it the chicken farm?
Yeah.
Hey!
How are you?
Pretty good, man. How are you going today? Same old, same old.
Yeah.
This is the chicken farm. This is where we see Yokih at.
Yeah.
It's not far from home at all. No, not at all.
Yeah, it's not that far. The chicken is sold out. All of them.
No chickens.
Yeah, no chicken.
That's pretty good, but that's what you want, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's where you sit, Yokih.
Yeah, that's
Oh, the chicken heads are over there. We're in Yokih's chicken farm. Not the family chicken farm. No chickens.
no chickens. No chickens over there. You wanna use this toilet?
Let me have a
Reckon
look.
you can use this? It's a big one, though.
No.
Nah. Right. Ah, this one chicken.
Hey, there's one chicken.
Wanna kill it?
No, I won't kill it.
This is where the catfish is.
Oh, you do catfish as well.
Yeah.
What do you do with them, like stew and stuff?
What?
What do you do with them?
You just kill them.
And eat them?
Yeah. Did we sell them?
Like fry them and
No, we just sell them.
I just sell them.
Yeah. Sometimes the customer one is live or dead.
Ah, okay. Woo! This is cool.
Bedroom up there.
Oh yeah?
Bedroom.
Is that what like
The employee.
security lives?
The employee.
Employee.
Yeah, the employee live here.
Kampong go patong boiler program.
Okay, that's good. So this one is furniture stuff.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, he make a furniture.
Oh cool.
Yeah.
How you going? Woo.
Ayo kita berangkat ya.
Oh, this is groovy.
Balik. Mulai jalan. Kapan lagi?
Can you eat all
Tunda-tunda
this?
malah tidur sini ya.
This is all pretty cool.
Yeah, we all sell this too.
That's nice.
Yeah.
I like it.
So 3 pieces,
Yeah.
one at a time.
Yeah. Catch you later, big fella. Be safe.
We need to be safe.
Everyone needs to be safe. Alright, ready?
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Alright, let's go. Mencaya di payun. Berangkat ya. Assalamualaikum.
Your brother's so cool.
Yeah. Okay.
He's like really nice, but he looks like someone you don't want to fuck with.
You can't.
Well, there you go, Yokih. Your whole family got to meet me finally, and I got to meet them.
Yeah. And they doesn't believe either.
They still don't, but they maybe think that I'm still might be fake.
Yeah. Maybe they thinking they are dreaming.
You just found a bulle somewhere. Bring him home.
Bring it home.
Woo! Hey, Zuka. Woo! Zuka's in the chat. Alright, so we're starting our quest to Bali, Zuka. Starting our slow journey. We only can drive as long as my nuts don't fall asleep. And then we have to stop. So I still want to have kids one day. Do you reckon we might see your uncle again?
Uncle, nah.
The silly uncle.
Yeah, nah.
Nah.
Yeah, it's different way.
Oh, okay. Woo! Siri's in the motherfucking chat. Yeah, I know. I think I really like my life. I think my life's pretty good at the moment. Very fucking pretty good. Oh man, and these women just keep getting better and better and better.
Selamat sore.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih info ya.
No, good. Yeah, thank you. I got a fucking Big Mac. I think we've got like half an hour left on the ride, and then we've got like another hour after that. We've got an hour till we get to our mate's house. And then, yeah. I got a Big Mac. I had to try a fucking Big Mac. I had to. The chips are pretty good. Looks like a standard Big Mac. They got the fresh onion on here. The Mac sauce. Let's give it a go, eh? Oh yeah. It's the same fucking thing. It's really good. I'm not a fan of Macca's, but it tastes like a normal Macca's burger. They didn't have any special burgers in there. So I just thought I'd try just a Richie Ditch old and oldie favourite. The biggest of the Macs. That's super small. This is a lemon tea instead of a Coke. Oh, that's so good. I'm loving the fucking iced teas, man. Like, it's so refreshing. Well, it tastes exactly like a fucking normal Big Mac meal. Except like there's no salt on the chips. But I don't really need them. It's between 1 to 2 hours.
Yeah,
Even an hour into it.
Yeah, it's 1 to 2 hours.
Every journey's 1 to 2 hours.
Yeah, even if it's from here to Bali, it's about
1 to 2 hours, yeah. And every time you stop, there's 1 to 2 hours left. That's cool. So you have 3 businesses there. You mean like the catfish?
The catfish,
Chicken.
the chicken, and the plant.
Do many people buy plants?
Yeah, but not a lot. Just a few.
And yeah, you're just watering them anyway, aren't you?
Yeah, you need to like try one time in 2 days. Once in 2 days.
Oh, water them once every 2 days. And chicken feed? What does chicken feed cost?
Chicken feed, I don't know about that. Because I'm the one that ordering the chicken feed is my father-in-law. So I don't know the exact amount and price. So, but it's just a size like 50 kilogram. Yeah, 50 kilogram.
Because in Australia, animal feeds get really dear.
Really what?
Really expensive.
Really expensive?
Yeah.
I think so, I don't know.
And especially, like, I think we had, like, some sort of drought, and, like, horse hay, like, tripled in prices. Like, big bundles of horse hay.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah. It's already expensive to own a horse, and then all of a sudden went through the roof.
Yeah.
It's a little bit like a rally the park. Hey, mister. Is that what they're saying?
Hey, mister. He said, hey, mister.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. It's a tight corner. How long are we going to be here for?
Just for a couple hours.
A couple of hours.
Yeah,
Hours?
just hours. We still have a long way to go. Hello, that's that.
How you going? Nice to meet you.
You already met him.
Sorry?
You already met him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. Woo! Where are we staying tonight?
In Purwakarta.
Siri will know what you're saying.
In Purwakarta. Purwakarta is the name of the city. So this one is Cikampek.
Chipankek? Chikampek.
Cikampek.
Chicken come back.
Yeah, I like the chicken comeback. I like the chicken comeback. Share the chat.
Chicken come back.
Chicken comeback. Yeah, Cikampek.
Chicken come back.
Make it short. Chicken comeback. Make it short. So Cikampek.
Chicken come back.
Yeah. So want an iced tea? Yes.
Hey, how you going, Muddy? How you going there? I'm Necro. I'm in Indonesia. I think I've been doing it for 34 days now. We've done Jakarta and Karawang, and now we're on our way down to Bali. Probably take us around 20 days to get to Bali. Where are you guys from? Longer?
Yeah, 60 days.
To get to Bali?
Yeah, the itinerary said 60 days.
Yeah, but just because the itinerary said that doesn't mean that's what I was going to do. Remember, the itinerary for Jakarta said 30 days, and we did it in under 20.
Yeah, but we had like, oh yeah, probably.
Yeah. We just did a lot of stuff that was just, we're just having a rest before we continue our journey, pretty much.
Yeah.
We're just looking at the bike, making sure everything's all good, getting stuff going, stopping for an iced tea. Money Gaming hosts us with, I've heard you before, I'm from New York, but New York City, I'm in the sticks. Oh, yeah. Oh, cool. That's pretty fucking cool. So what do you do on your games, big fella? What kind of games do you play? Are they off-road games? Are they racing games? Or you just play like the...
Crypto games, probably.
Why? How would Muddy 4x4 gaming mean crypto gaming?
We don't know, because it's...
Then
still
why
a
did you
game.
say crypto gaming probably?
But it's still a
Fishing
game.
Planet tonight. Oh, yeah, cool. I like that game. Pretty good. So how did you hear of us? Do you want to see my IRL backpack? I'll show you my backpack if you want. I'm really proud of it. Took me a couple of weeks to do. So this is the backpack. So you get your live view here. The live view takes in the 4 modems and makes it one stronger signal, if you don't know that. Here are the batteries. Batteries for the fan, batteries for accessories, battery for the live view. And we've got a fan down here, so like to bring air in. And we've got a fan here. That's what the grill's for, just to keep everything nice and cool. That's pretty much it. That's our IRL backpack. We've got a little fan controller. As you can tell, we've got nocturnal fans, of course. Have to have nocturnal. Got a little fan controller here for them. And yeah, these are like, I think these are only 30,000 batteries. I think these are 20. This is 20,000, but this puts out 45 watts. Where these white ones don't put out 45 watts. These are night gears, and these are just your simple ZTE and Kofi. These are your normal Wi-Fi modems. You've got your cables and shit. Yeah, it's sick. Nah, you're sick, man. Thank you so much for dropping by, man. Any exposure is good exposure, I suppose. And just, I think just IRL streaming in general is a bit of a, not a popular subject. As well, like when I try and find IRL stream, there's really not much out there. You know, and if you do, like, it's just like, they're doing it for a day or two. There's not like, not many people that go, fuck it, you know, here you go. I'm going to travel across the whole country and I'll fucking stream it for you. You know, when you type IRL streaming into fucking YouTube, absolutely nothing comes up. Everyone's sitting behind a computer. Or it's people, there's a lot of Japanese streamers, but no, I don't speak Japanese. Yeah, easy as, man. Easy as, big fella. Oh, yeah, man, thank you so much for stopping by, man. So fucking appreciated. If any of you crew can give me a follow, man, that would be fucking so helpful. Very appreciated. I'd love it. If I get a small following, man, like, I think all I'd require would be like $50 a day, and I'd just keep traveling third world countries, I reckon. If I can make $50 a day, I'd be fucking over the fucking moon. But we've also got a team doing a YouTube video every day and a couple of shorts every day. So we're utilizing as much as we can. Like, we've got a lot of footage. Why not use it? So, and all the other like travel logs and everything that I've seen, you know, like they've been doing it for, you know, they at least do it for a year or something before they start getting traction. So we're hoping with a mass amount of content and trying to release content every day, hopefully we can get somewhere. We haven't even gone anywhere yet. Gotcha. Ready, Yokih?
All good?
Yeah, let's go.
Assalamualaikum.
Can't we just go 70 kilometers again? Here we go. Ah, it's like a roller coaster. Ah. Aircon would be good.
An aircon or not?
What's the difference? It'd only be a couple of dollars, wouldn't it?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, well, that's all right. Yeah.
We don't have any cabinet yet.
Ah, yeah. You going to bring the scooter over?
Let's put this first.
Oh, that's cool.
I think we can fit like careful our bike inside or outside.
You put it inside.
Yeah, that's for the safety, bro.
Is that what it said?
No, that's what I'm saying.
Ah.